Tired of keeping your crypto scattered? Let's unite your funds by moving assets from Bybit to Binance in this lightning-fast tutorial. First, log into your Bybit account, then navigate to the Assets tab located at the top right-hand corner of your screen here. You'll find a summary of all your holdings. Next, find the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Let's say it's USDT for this example. Click Withdraw next to it. This will bring you to the withdrawal request page. Take a moment to choose the correct network. Double check if Binance supports the network you will choose. Now, let's hop over to Binance, log in and head to Deposit Crypto. You will find it in the wallet overview. Select the same cryptocurrency you chose on Bybit, in our case, USDT. Crucially, choose the matching network you selected on Bybit, then Binance will generate a deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully and paste it into the withdrawal address field on Bybit. Before you finalize the transfer, triple check the address on Bybit. Mistakes can be costly in crypto. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, complete any required security verification steps, and click Submit. And that's it. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your Binance account depends on network congestion, but usually it's pretty quick. Keep an eye on your Binance wallet. Congrats! You've successfully transferred funds from Bybit to Binance.